live. This live is always some ridiculous idea of like, well, what are we supposed to be doing with this stuff, right? I'm not saying I couldn't come up with something. I'm just really one of those people who's like, well, what can I do? How can I do this? Where can I go? How do I this? How do I that? You know? I'm not saying, I don't know what I'm even talking about right now. But yeah, I don't know what to do. Should I draw something? Should I play a game? I don't know. I don't know because my problem is that I want something that's interesting, right? But I also don't want, I want something that's interesting, but I also want something that I'd like to do, but I also want something that people would like to do. Because it could be interesting, but I don't know what, okay, sorry. Yeah. I'm just remembering the past, reminiscing on the past, which is not a great thing to do all the time. Because, you know, you end up, like, living in the past, right? Living on the edge! Or is it living on the edge? Or, I don't know what song. Anyway, I'm going out of my mind, but yeah. I found this, like, pencil yesterday. I was like, oh yeah, this Harry Potter pencil. I went to the Harry Potter exhibition in, London. No, I was going to say London. Nope. In Toronto, Ontario. Yeah, at the, Montreal Museum of Fine Arts. Nope. At the no, not even at the Ontario Science Center. And so, yeah, I remember going. So it was good. It was good. I didn't understand much of it because I was. I've told this story before. As a child, I really just sat on things. Like I liked something just because somebody else did. A lot of times, which is like, well, what are you gonna do, right? Why are there so many? Oh, because that's like. Oh, I think I know why. Because it doesn't know that they're not there. Okay, that's why there's gonna be blank spots. Okay. But yeah, I just remember, like, you know, I have pictures from that, don't I? I think I do. I have pictures of me. Cool. Yeah. I wish people were here. But nah, no. That's okay. I never actually. I just do this for fun. I would love to make this a real thing where people could actually like, pay me to do this. But the problem is I don't do anything that like would warrant being paid. I'm sorry, I don't. Ooh. I'm trying to see. Is that new or old? I think it's new. Probably the new ones. But anyway, there's Sunday. No, that would have been Sunday. Okay, anyway. With nothing in my brain. Not too many days. Yeah. Done. So yeah, I don't know. Just like, whatever. Yeah, I'd love to be paid to do this, but it's fine. Cause I'm not doing anything that's like. If I'm not that kind of, like that like special of a person. I'm not a a Ludwig type of person. Trademark Warner Brothers Entertainment. China, of course, but like I keep it. I never actually used it. Oh, although I tried using the eraser, and the eraser just gone that like where it smudges, that like terrible eraser smudge. You know what I mean. That eraser smudge, that's just awful. They're just so bad, so bad. I'm always on this thing. I'm always here in this server. Anyway, yeah. So I just want to probably put in YouTube videos, and I've had it there for long enough that like no. Oh, new message where? Self promote. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, what was I gonna say? Yeah, so I don't do anything that's like that's like interesting enough for someone to pay me, or like, I'm not smart enough or cool enough or whatever. I don't know. I'm not doing anything that's gonna help. So nobody's gonna pay me. Cause the thing, you have to be really good at what you do to be paid on these things. Like you have to, or that's the thing that I'm like still trying to like figure out, like not figure out, but I'm still trying to like understand, like someone like Ludwig doesn't have to do anything really cool, or like good for something or whatever. You just have to have enough people watching you. It's the same way someone like PewDiePie exists. I'm like, PewDiePie's an awful person, inappropriate and whatever, and then just like, yeah, but he's got so many people that it doesn't matter. they can just give him a brand deal for something because he'll get enough people to use it. Like that's a thing, which is unhealthy. Like, I love this person. I love this person. I'll do anything he says. It's like I think the guy's name is Thor. Wait a sec. Can I see? Oh, I could flip them all over, right? Could I flip them over? I could, but I guess it's not necessary. I don't know. Sorry, I'm looking at my markers here. Yeah, it said I'm never gonna take a brand deal for something like G Fuel. For one of those, it's like a sport. It's like a energy powder. I actually don't know if it's a protein powder or just like a energy kind of like. It just, to me, I always thought of it as like just Kool-Aid or either. Actually, at first I thought it was like, yeah, like up there in that like weird like, oh, it's a powdered stuff. It's like a protein powder. It's like, I don't understand it. Whatever, I'll never use it. And then I was like, no wait, is it just Kool-Aid? No, I don't even know what it is because I've never looked into it. But he's like, because I don't need. I think it's energy like stuff. I don't know how to explain it, but energy stuff. And so I think so. And so he's like, I'm never going to take a sponsor for that because I know that my audience is sitting in a chair watching me is never going to need, or I think it was more like people, my audience are people sitting in chairs with their whatever do not need energy drinks, energy stuff, or crappy sugary whatever energy stuff. So, I don't know. So yeah, so sometimes it's like that, but other times like PewDiePie where it's like, oh yeah, we'll give you a signature thing, and you'll get your thing. Because giving you like one bottle and then having 7 million other people buying our product is like worth it. It's like, sure, it's worth it, but like, man. So it feels so disingenuous in the sense that like, you can kind of tell certain people take sponsorships because they're lots of money. Like, Raid Shadow Legends. Like, do you think everybody who takes a sponsorship from Raid Shadow Legends thinks Raid Shadow Legends is a great game? Probably not. It's a crappy like whatever type of game, but mobile like whatever game. But I mean, it's not awful. I'm sure it's not like the worst game. I'm sure there could be worse games. I guess I don't know. But anyway, what was I gonna say? Yeah, then because I think Linus made the point one time where he was like, or Linus made a comment or like explained one time where on the one show where he's like, well, what does LTG? What? It was something that had to do with something. It had to do with something to the effect of like why they don't take brand deals or why they take these brand deals and now we don't take these ones anymore or whatever or something like that or why did we take a weird brand deal or like a kind of strange brand deal, or maybe it was something more to the effect of, do you use your own sponsored companies? Like, do you use any of the products the sponsor companies sponsor you for? I think it's for Aura or something, maybe even, or it might have been for Aura, the Ring, the Smart Ring guys, where it's like when they were like talking about how they were like pronouncing it wrong or something, and they were like, "Oh, you must take down that video. You must change things. You're pronouncing it wrong. We're not gonna work with you anymore." Blah blah blah. It's like, what? They got really like, huh? We'll spell it correctly. Is basically what he said. But anyway, that's not the point. The point was like, I don't really care, because you can kind of tell sometimes. Well, I don't know. I don't actually know if you can tell, but like, he said something to the effect of, I don't care. Kind of like I don't care. He didn't say it in these words, but he was basically implying, I don't care about the product. As long as it does what it says it does. I'll take a freaking brand deal from something. There's certain things, okay, fine, that would change our reputation. Like, that, we shouldn't take deals from because it makes it out to be weird or like it tarnishes our brand or whatever. But like, as long as it's vaguely in the realm of what we want, I don't care. I'll take a stupid thing for something that seems dumb. As long as the product works, like, or not seems dumb, but like, I would never use this. but it works. Like, that's the other thing, too. I guess just because you wouldn't use it doesn't mean it's a bad product. Like, I guess? I don't know. What is that? Is that black? I guess not. That's not black either. There's not 3 blacks in here. No, that's definitely brown. I'm looking at my crayons here. This one, oh, okay, it's like a grayish in it. Okay. This is black. Okay. Anyway, yeah. I don't know. And to get sponsored, I looked up sponsorships, and I was like, or like, didn't look up sponsorships. I looked up how like people can get sponsored, and like, it's a lot of like, play this game and get sponsored on a stream because play this game with these weird criterias or like, not what criterias, weird like goals. What do you call it? Like, you have to hit these like goals or milestones, whatever. And one of them, and you know, and so download the game. I think it was like download the game and do this or something, or play this much or get to this level or something. And it's like, that's annoying. Because I can take it, but it's all dependent on like. Because I don't even know if they legally have to give you anything if you don't like. Because that's the thing, right? I asked on a subreddit for streaming, right? It's like, oh, has anybody taken one of those streams things? And they basically explained to me. Somebody explained to me, you'd have to have a really big audience for that, right? And so I was like, okay, that makes sense. No, enough audience that would like fulfill those requirements, right? And I'm like, oh, I see, you know. And it was like you had to have a big enough audience that would fulfill that requirement. And I was like, oh, I see. So my audience would never be big enough. Got it. Like, because not one of those things where whether you fulfill the thing or not, hey, I did your obligation, give me my money. Hey, it's not my fault that they didn't go. It's like, no, you have to fulfill those products, which kind of feels weird, but okay. I'm doing a sponsor stream for you, and I get nothing if my people don't, you know, play the game with and spend money or something, or play the game and get to a certain level, or play the game and like, I don't know, you know? It seems weird, but I don't know. So, but then it's like then again, it's like you didn't get them anything. So why would they just pay you? But then again, I'm sure commercials don't work that way. You know, you pay an actor or some celebrity to be in your commercial, to endorse your commercial, whatever, celebrity endorsement or whatever, your commercial. Right? And then whether it makes the money or not, you're going to get paid. No. I would think so. Right? You know? Anyway. But it's a different thing. It's a whole different thing. Now that we can know if it's helping us or whatever, like if it yields us, or yields, now that people can know if it yields them, you know, a benefit, like it you know, if it's good for them, it's different, I guess. You know, it's like up to $350 or something, right? And I was just like, oh, I think it was $350 for the one that I wanted, or $250, I think, maybe. Because the one I had was like, I'm not doing a Raid Shadow Legends. I do not like that game. I think it's dumb. But hey, some YouTubers have been offered lots of money. Because it all depends, again, it's dependent on like your size too, right? And what kind of audience you have, right? And what kind of like reach you have. Hey, they'll pay you big money if you can tell that to... I mean, it doesn't have to be millions of people. It can just be like thousands and bam. You know? So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Like, what do you call it? Sponsor streams are weird. Or sponsor streams are not easy. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to talk about. To make money while streaming, it's very much like Twitch subscribers, is it? Because followers are just followers. You can just follow someone. But subscribing to someone... Somebody explained to me once what a subscriber and the difference between a subscriber and a follower is. I don't remember what it is. Anyway. Yeah, so... Anyway, what was I going to say? Yeah, so... And that's a way, and then... What do you call them? Yes? Yes? Oh, no, okay, yeah, that works. Nice. Okay, cool. I don't know why it's... Anyway. Oh, whatever. Yeah, so... I don't care for the... Anyway, what was I going to say? Yeah, so... Yeah. It's what's it called? What is it called? Oh my gosh. Anyway, it's yeah, the way to get paid is to be tip, whatever it's called. Is it called tipping? I think so. Anyway, and so. Right. But then they still take 30%. Because you're using their product, so therefore it's like, oh. So, I don't know. You're using their service. Using YouTube service, so they're taking 30%. Seems like a lot, but... I guess not. Or I don't know. I don't know, because I've never done the math. So I don't know. But they take 30%, and then I was like, oh, so I get to keep all the money if I go through... Like, Streamlabs. Yeah, from YouTube. But if it's going to PayPal, they still take 30%.
This is a vinyl record, and this is a DVD. But what if... Whoa!
That's not what I did. There you go, cool. There you go. So, like, you know, it's like... So... You have to be making a lot of money to make that. Although, that is kind of how everything works. Like, they'll take all your money all the time. I don't know. I don't know. Why not? Sure. Why not? I already am following us on Twitter. I'm not? Okay. I am now. Sure. I'm not... Yes. Yeah. Okay. That I might be doing. Yeah, I'm following. Okay. Follow on Twitch. Okay, sure. I'm just watching a Line Detective did a video with Lecture Boom, and they're giving away a Origin PC, or Origin's giving away PCs through them.
Origin PC delivers the best gaming experience, period.
So, how do I follow them? That's a good question. How do I follow these people? How do I... Oh, there's follow, okay. And subscribe is what? Like, what is a subscription? Oh, is it like different emotes and stuff? Okay. This one, okay. That's all it is? Channel points. What are they? What are channel points? I wish somebody could tell me what channel points do. What are they for? Sub only chat, subscriber streams. Oh, you can have the subscriber stream. Okay. There are streams for just subscribers. Okay. Anyway. Verify and Facebook. Forget it. I'm not doing Facebook. You mind? You entry. Yeah. You have 70 entries. Complete actions to earn more. Okay, wow. 70. 70, yeah. The Facebook one. It's the last one. Why is Facebook still a thing? I don't understand it. Why is Facebook still a thing? Facebook should be dead by now. Facebook should not exist. I don't understand. It died like 5 years ago. Like what the heck? Like longer than that even. No. 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 Just it's like not longer. No. No, it didn't die. It didn't. But like it died about what 5-7 years? No, longer. Maybe like I don't understand it. You know what I mean? I just don't understand some of these things. I don't understand or why people are still using it today. It was dead. It's dead. Like it's dead. It's dead. So I don't know. I don't understand. Stand it. Wait, I'm trying to check if I'm. That's not what I wanted. I didn't want to. I do. There you go. You're not kicking my desktop anymore. I'm not getting my desktop anymore. Ping or look at the back. I guess so. Just a bad thing. I don't know. It's not. Fine. I don't know. So yeah. It's all like 30%. So yeah, it's about 30%. Yeah. So it's like, oh gosh. God, it's so dumb. Anyway, go back. Get out. Anyway, so what was I gonna say? Yeah. So I don't know. I don't know. Okay, yeah, I could have been Rachel. Okay. So yeah, I don't know. That's just my. There's nobody here, so I don't think so. Nope, no one's here. That's fine. That's fair. Yeah. yeah, I don't know. It's just dumb. Not, I don't know. Why does the government need any of your money? But like, no, it's this whole thing of like, it's this whole thing of, well, it'd be nice to. Sure. Anyway. But yeah, I don't know. It's one of those things. Well, it's because, government does something. So because the government does something, or we have to pay the government to do something. I don't know. Well, it's the paying thing where it's like, well, why do I pay you to do anything? Well, yeah, because, why is it money? Why have we made money this thing that we should, I don't know, do? And it's like, right. Why is money a big thing to, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying. Mario 64. I never loved Mario 64. I thought it was cool when I first played it, but then like the first time I ever played, I was like, this is cool. Then every subsequent time, I was like, okay, great, cool. I beat it on DS. I beat the DS version. That's about it. Mario 64. Yeah, it's not like a great, crazy thing. Like a super, like, I don't know. I know for the time it was amazing. It was one of the first like 3D games, popular 3D games. I'm sure it's not the first, but but it's just not a thing that I'm like, yeah, these are like, I love this game. Like, no, I know some people who just love it. So anyway, I don't know. I'm just saying, like, I don't know. I don't love it. I don't think it's terrible, but I don't love it. I don't know. Not a game I'm like super duper duper into. Oh, but no one's here, right? Still no one here. Of course not. I don't know. Definitely not. I don't know. Well, the N64 is an overrated system, 100%. There's a lot of games on there that are just overrated. Oh my gosh. If you're asking for a system, like, what video game system is overrated, it's the N64. Because, like, it was the... Well, that was the thing, right? It wasn't the PlayStation where it had so many cool, like, great games. No, it was like, these are the bad versions of games that, like, don't hold up super well and aren't great. And this, I don't know. There's something about, like, that one where it's like, I don't know. But even PlayStation has some bad games that don't hold up well either. So, that generation is very weird. That first, like, 3D generation, yeah. Yeah. But, particularly Nintendo's, because Nintendo somehow, like, got, I don't know, they're held in high regard because they were already a thing for 2 generations already. So because they had 2 systems before them, I think you look at it and go, oh wow, you didn't do a very good job of keeping this up. Like, you should know how to do that. Like, what? First of all, it was the first thing that we ever did. So, and second, everybody didn't know it. So the first time we're using 3D, and then anyway, I don't know. But I think the other guys got leeway because people like Sony got leeway because it's like, well, they've got you know they've got or they've never done anything before in the video game space in the realm. So hey, don't don't crap all over them. It's like, what? Anyway, so that's the weird thing. Anyway, and also, the games everyone thinks are great. It's like, well, okay, fine. Mario 64 is good, and Ocarina of Time is good. They're not the best games in the world, but they're good. Right? Or like, what other ones? And then you've got overrated games like, come on. I'm sorry, GoldenEye is overrated. Stop. I don't think GoldenEye is good at all. Stop saying GoldenEye. Oh, GoldenEye is amazing. GoldenEye is great. No. It's not. Even for the time, it wasn't great. No. I'm not saying it was bad, per se. I'm not saying it was bad, I'm just saying, like, it's a bad game, but, like, great. That's it. Everyone holds it in this high regard. It's like the 3 games that are held in this stupidly high regard. Although it's not on, like, not the same, because it's not, like, in the top 2 like the other 2 are, but it's GoldenEye, Ocarina of Time, and what's it called? Tony Hawk Pro Skater 2. It's like, okay, 2 of those games, not good. I don't like Tony Hawk Pro Skater 2 for some reason. There's something about it I don't like it. The first one's okay, because it's the first one, and the third one is just good. I mean, like, just... Right? So, I'm not saying they're bad games. It's just, come on. As being the perfect games, almost? What? What? What are you... Oh, God, I don't like it. Anyway. I just think it's over. Anyway, whatever. I don't care. So, yeah. I don't know. I'm just saying. It's weird, but okay. Or I'm saying I don't like it, but okay. I don't like it. I don't agree with these people. Not even close. Anyway, what do I care? Yeah. So yeah, I don't know. It's strange that way, but okay. It's like I just don't like it. Like no, stop. They're fine games. Just, no. Kind of like how the first Mario game. Yes, it's a great game, and yes, it's actually, it's better in comparison to Zelda, the first Zelda game. Where the first Zelda game, yes, it's a great game. Yes, it's the first Zelda game. Yeah, with Pioneer, and it was awesome and whatever. But like, I would never play it again. I would never play it for a second time. Like the first 2 Zelda games, I'm probably never gonna play Zelda 1 or Zelda 2 like ever again. I might play Zelda 1 because it's right? Because it's got the what's that game called? The second quest, maybe. And I tried to play the game and I never got far in that. I'm in the 4th or in the 3rd. Oh, anyway, excuse me. But I'm never gonna play it again. Sorry. Like, well, the thing with the first Mario game is, unlike the first Zelda, the first Mario game is short, so you can like, just play it randomly. You can beat the whole game in like 5 minutes. It's actually like insane. It's actually like wow. Whew. Right? So So. Yeah. So yeah. But the Zelda's like, oh gosh, I don't like it. I don't like the first. I don't like the second. I mean, second's decent. Second's fine. But second is not a game for me. It's not for me. Not even close. Like, I don't care for the second one. It's fine, but it's not a bad game. Anyway, I don't know. So, what's there to talk about? What's there to do? What's there to be? Here you go. Google. Where's the electrical boom giving away? Electro Boom PC makeover and giveaway. When's it end? Say what it ends? Custom PC worth 5,000. I don't understand how these PCs can be worth so much money, but then I realize, oh wow, this is worth this much money. That's where. Again, it's another one of those things where concept. You don't even have to be young, like a kid, to have this like idea of like things. We just have to be like disconnected from certain things to be like, how's that much money? How's this much? How what makes it what? It also just shows how much like money can mean nothing. Like this thing that you thought was $1 billion is like worth nothing, or this thing that you thought was like $10 worth $1 billion or something. You know, and I mean 9 days left. Right? Right? You're like, what? What's in the busy? Okay. Okay. Not giving water or any of that stuff. Okay. Anyway, so like, yeah, it's like, okay. So yeah, like, you know, like PCs that are worth thousands of dollars. What? Okay, you can argue back in the day when they were worth thousands of dollars, it was because this is a new technology and we haven't gotten like figured out how to make it cheap yet, right? But man, it's like what? It's expensive as heck, man. But like then you go $5,000 again in this day and age. You're like, what? How do you get? And it's like, oh, your graphics card can be $1,000. Like what? Certain graphics cards can be $1,000, and then certain like other things like. And then again, this could be one of those things where Origin PC just decided, oh, it's going to be $5,000. You know, it doesn't have to be $5,000. We could have done all this cheap, but like we got the good stuff kind of thing. Or more like it's all our equipment. We're not paying $1,000, but or $5,000, but like the value of the thing is $5,000. You know. You know, the value of the thing is $5,000. It's not, you know, it's worth $1,000, but you know. Whatever, I don't know. It just blows my mind. Like cars. It kind of just shows how much money means nothing, really. Or like money, I don't know. Not means nothing, because it definitely means something, like, you know. But I'm saying like it doesn't, I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm just saying like, it just is one of those weird things. It's like $5,000 for that, what? For what? The thing that still blows my mind is the like, what's it called? Is a phone being $2,000? It's like, no way. What? Or they can be $2,000. It's like, what? No way. No way. That blows my mind. That just blows my mind. I'm like, no way. But thousands of dollars? Or sorry, not 5,000. That's $2,000 or so. What? Why? What? How? Or it's $1,500, or it's $1,000. Like what? How's that? What? But then again, it's another one of those things too, where you're buying it. If people stop buying it, people stop buying it, you wouldn't, we wouldn't have that same, they wouldn't be charging random amounts of money. Like a car. It's like a car, right? I'm sure if people stop buying $1 million car, well, I don't know. They stop producing million, like maybe would it cause everything to go down though? That's one of those questions. I don't know. Actually, you know what? I don't know economically. I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe. I don't really know how it works. So, economy stuff like that works. But anyway, where are they gonna go to? They're gonna go to somewhere. Phones. Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not saying it's good. I'm not saying it's bad necessarily, but like we just also I think it's another one of those setups where it's like, or another one of those things where it's like, but if you don't know why you're paying that money, you kind of feel like gypped, like, oh well. Or if you don't know, yeah, exactly. You're like, well, why not? How come you can't? And what the, and like, you know what I mean? Just like, I don't know. It just feels. So it's like I don't know. No. There you go. Can I reply to this? I want to know if there's a replyable message. I'm trying to make something to reply. What's the code I needed? Something. I think it's AstroDB. Is that it? No. AstroDB or AstrolDB? Oh, crud. It wasn't even that. It was like, who is it? From where? Data stats. Stop it. Haha. Okay, no. My detail. So yeah. Or was I just now? What was I looking at? What was I talking about just now? I don't know. What did that say? Like, what is that? Right here. P. What is that? Is that a reverse? Can I flip this around? Transform. Flip. Vertically, yeah. What is that? Oh, this. Right here. This thing. Yeah, what is that? Window capture? No, not that. This. There. Text? Why do I have a text here? Did I add that by mistake? By clicking? I don't know. Where's remove? Where's remove? Where's remove? There you go. Yeah, I don't need text up there. What happened there? I must have clicked something by doing something there. Anyway. No. What is it now? Which side? Ha ha ha. I believe something when I want $1 million project idea? I didn't click that. I didn't click that. I wanted to just stop it. Stop pushing it down. There. That's all I wanted to do. Not that. Well, you know, I did that. Okay, what are we looking for? Okay, I'll do this, right? Oh, come on. Don't tell me he's not going to let me. Okay. Okay, let me save this for the comment. Stuck in my head. But anyway, come on, come on. Stop it. Get out. Wait, is there one 2 hours second? Where is it? Number? Where is Tuesday? 1363. 36. 1336. Okay, cool. Now. Okay, cool. Now we're add a screenshot. What screenshot? I can post a screenshot really quick. Oh, okay, happened. No, that's link. Okay, cool. No. Where's the attachment? Oh, there. Okay, so cool. Yeah, I know. It's okay. Oh, no, because I haven't saved it. There you go. Okay. Nope, we're not putting it there, though. Where is it? Fine. Yeah, all changes. Inline. Let's do inline. Where it's not an attachment, it's like actually a thing in the actual email. You know what then? No, you know what? I'm trying to make a. Well, I found a thing where, and that kind of shows how like I thought about it that way. I'm like, whoa, wait a sec, because I think Linus made the point once. Let me start from the beginning. I found a video of a guy making a what do you call it? Choose an adventure game. So it's a text adventure game, but using ChatGPT. So like it's all naturally generated apparently. Naturally meaning, or not naturally. I guess kind of randomly generated. I don't know how to explain it because I don't even understand it super technically, but what's that? Oh. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, so right, and so. Oh wait, I think it's the same one, right? I hope so. Oh no. Yes. 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 Okay, come on. It's, yeah, and so that's crazy, and it like shows because I think Ron has said that once, where it's like it'd be great if you could pursue generate like random as like things. Oh, wait a sec, 'cause this is one of those things where, cause look, because I'm using something called Astra, and then data stacks, Astra.data stacks, whatever. I don't know what that necessarily means, but it means I can connect ChatGPT to a database, apparently. Anyway. And so, and then, like, right? But now it says hibernate, right? So is it one of those things where, because it hasn't been used in 48 hours, did that mean, is that one of those weird things, not stupid, but weird things where it's like, well, wait a sec. Now, okay. I have to, like, because I used to do used to have a server for Minecraft, but it was on one of those free server hosting places, and they said to save resources, it would be like, well, if you're not using it, it would like, if you're not using it, right? They like, what? Not close it. What do you call it? Like they like turn it off. I guess turn off the server. Like they deactivate the server, I guess. And then you have to open it and activate it, and then you can play it, right? And as long as you do that every so often, you can have a free thing forever, basically. And I didn't do it long enough, and I wasn't playing it long enough, and got deleted. But not that there was like a lot in the server. I don't care. It's Minecraft server. What's the difference? We have a house, and it was pretty cool stuff, and me and my friend made stuff, and then I brought in a dragon by mistake. Not by mistake, but I was like, oh, I regret it. Like, I didn't know like, it was hard to explain, because I did it. I knew what I was doing, but I didn't realize, like, oh yeah, it's going to destroy stuff. Stupid. Anyway, it destroyed our house. We had to rebuild it. Anyway, it was fun. Did I kill it? I think I had to get, like, nether stuff. I don't know. I killed it somehow. I don't remember how I did it. But anyway, got rid of it. Anyway, it's not the point. So is this going to be the same thing where if you don't use it enough, you have to have it resume? And if I wanted to make this a game, right? Could I sell this as... I see, legally, I don't know. Can I sell this as a game? On, like, Steam or something? Right? In theory... Because I looked up the Steam's, like, thing about... What's it called? AI. Because I heard recently that, like, AI games are now... Not banned, but, like... I don't know. Like, they have to change the policy about AI games, and I looked it up, and it's basically like you have to state how much of this game was made. What part of this game was made by AI? Is it active AI, meaning the game's using AI in the game, or is it made with AI? So like AI made the game. Like you got pictures from AI, you got images from AI, you got the code from AI, that kind of stuff, or is this active code where it's like, I guess like this thing, ChatGPT, I'm assuming, and then you just state which one it is, and then they'll approve it if you know. And then you send it in, and they either approve it or not, in the form, because you have to state that, and then I think it's stated in the game that, like, or on the page or whatever. I don't know. I don't know. I'm assuming it may. How do I like? Is there a way to like? Markers on red. Oh, there. No, star competition. What's star competition mean though? Because start a conversation, but then where does that go? I'm in Proton Mail. I'm trying to see something. I don't know. Like, it's weird. Where's the There you go. I'm trying to find this. Also, I'm trying to find some code. And the thing about this game that this AI game is he's on a he's on a website, right? He's on Astra, right? .database, I think that's what it is anyway. Let me check. Can I open this? No, I can't. I can open this, right? No, I can't. But I can open that. Anyway, and I think the website has changed slightly. So, like, I don't know where things are. I'm sure it still exists. I just have to find where it is, like, where you find that code. Because, like, that's annoying. I think that's one of the worst things about these, definitely one of the worst things about... Oh, okay. I might need that. Anyway, the worst things about tutorials. When tutorials are, like, super out of date. Or, like, like, link to that thing that you wanted to use is dead. Or they're using a really old version of something. So, like, how do I do this? And then you have to state, like, how do I do this in this exact version from this year? Or how do I do this in this year? And then either nobody's made a video about it yet, or they do that stupid thing where, it works fine. Like, it's all the same. And it's like, no, it's not all the same. There are people who want to try and learn how to do this, or figure out how to do something. Usually it's mostly only tutorials for, like, software, because that stuff changes. You know, something like how to fix your car, how to fix your TV, how to fix a lamp or something. Yeah, or like electronic something, or I don't know, anything. Or art tutorials, or I don't know. Those kind of things all kind of relatively stay the same. I keep looking too much down. Anyway. I'm just looking for... See if anybody's... Nobody? I haven't answered yet. It's fine. I don't need him to answer it immediately, but I'd love to have an answer to that. Just to know, like, what... Like, is there where do you find this stuff? Because it's under... Okay, let's activate it, resume it. I think, for data, right? No, I gotta resume it to do it. And then resuming, does it take a second to resume? Oh, it does. Resuming takes a few minutes. So it is one of those things where I might have to. It'll be one of those games where it's like, oh god, that's so stupid. That is dumb. That is absolutely dumb. Token, right? Okay. There's a token that I have, right? I'm not gonna show you the token. Administrator service. I think I have the same one. I'm not sure though. And then also that thing. Does the token change every time I do this? Oh no. I hope not. I hope it's not gonna take... And then, is active technical... Okay, here's the thing too. Here's the other thing. There's a few things. You don't have internet, can you use the game? Because it's connected to ChatGPT, which is on the internet, right? Then there's the... If it's being played, is that being counted as being active? And then, do I have to keep this on my own computer? So do I have to have this computer open all the time? On and open all the time? For servers? Probably do. It's annoying. That's going to be annoying. It's going to be very annoying. No, see? Explore data, right? Overview. Oh, okay, go here. Streaming. Billing. Tokens. Token. Okay, tokens to get a token. I already have a token. That's fine. But, like, how do I go to here? Okay. Create vector database. No, I already don't have that. I have this right here. GPT, chain and frost, open source features, store, machine learning, store for machine learning. Okay. I click this, right? Where is that? That's API endpoint, okay. But I'm not looking for an API endpoint, am I? Let me just look and see what I'm actually looking for. What kind of code I'm looking for. The following code contains connect data phase.py. Connect data phase.py. Oh wait, where did I find that one where I was like, is it in here? Details maybe? No. overview. It must be overview. Under overview. Okay. No, can't go there. Okay. Could you? Oh, okay, database. There you go. No. New releases and new experiences building with Gen AI. New clients, Adata, Explorer docs, and more are available. Sure. No. Connection details. There you go. There you go. You got Python, right? But then, or the stupid thing I hate is when they change the name of something, or get rid of something where it's like, oh, that's the same thing now. Yeah. Right. Oh, this is the same thing now. It's just we just change a few things, or this base, or it's like this is basically the same thing. You just have to do this now. It's like why? Don't give me that crap. Like what? No, that's stupid. That's real dumb. That's actually dumb. Stop it. That's actually dumb. In my opinion, it's like no. Why? But yeah. Like what? It like blows my mind. I'm just like, what? Excuse me. What? Oh no. Let's see. It's like, oh, that's just annoying. When they do things like this to me, or not to me, but they do things, I guess. You know, it's like. Anyway, so yeah. Looking for some code. What code am I looking for? I'm supposed to post this in. This is annoying. I don't. So annoying when I don't know where things are. Oh, it's like. And I did give him the whole thing. I didn't just say like, where do I find this code? I'm looking for some code. Where do I find it? It's like, you know. I gave him the timestamp. This guy, so I'm gonna see because I contacted the the website support. And it's like okay. So now I'm like, I asked him again because I asked him for one thing, and now it's like, okay, well, where do I find this thing? This part of the code, right? Not that. I couldn't look for it to find it somehow. I don't know. And then I find other things that are like similar stuff, codes and stuff. But I see the problem is I'm not smart enough to know. Okay, is this? Wait a sec. I installed like this, right? I don't need this, whatever. But then it's like, well, where's the part? Because I'm in a part that's similar to the section that he's in. But I don't know what that means. Load data and perform similar searches with Python. What does that mean? What am I looking for? Oh my gosh. Like, what am I looking for? What's the code called? Let's look at the code called. Does it say what it's called? Oh, yeah. Oh, file. Never mind. From Cassandra cluster. Import from AstroDB. Import AstroDB. Cassandra Q language. Developing with Cassandra Connect. don't know if it's a Cassandra shell or what. Oh. This is really annoying. Oh no, please it. I don't. This is annoying. Kind of annoying. Can I like do a search of the whole page and just be like, I wish I could. Okay, wish you could search a website. Just like Control F, right? Lets you search, right? Like that? Cassandra. Nowhere to be found. What? Ooh. Where? Where? Can you tell me where? Okay. Location. What's load data mean? Manage collections of load data. Maybe this? No, like what? Oh, CQL console maybe? Hey. Connect to your CQL. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Token, this stuff. Cassandra, yeah. Where's the code I need? Use the Cassandra code to interact with your database through Cassandra query language. First of all, what is Cassandra query language? Second of all, wait. Oh, whoa. It says right here. Tips. Alternative. Have a team may provide access to the Astra database. Ensure that support is installed. Download the QB for Astra DB serverless database. Serverless database. What do you mean by serverless database now? Now, what do you mean by download this? What? Astra data stacks at Astra. Oh gosh, what is this crud? Right there. What? Used to be that desktop. What studio? What? I'm using. Okay, well this guy. That's the problem too. I'm not smart enough to know. I don't know what to talk about. Okay. What do you mean command line shell? What does that mean? Because I don't want to do something that causes my whole computer to just blow up. Not blow up, but you know, like, oh, you've screwed something up and now you can't use this feature or you can't do this thing. Just stand up for a second there. My butt's asleep. Yep. It's like, this stuff's annoying. This is very annoying. Yeah, token, okay? Interact with people. In other words, something was like from. What are we looking for? From Cassandra cluster, import cluster, blah blah. From Cassandra cluster, import cluster. I have no idea where. What's this? There you go. Serverless database overview. Okay. Namespace versus key space. Key space. As technology evolves, so does the terminology. Why? No, the stupid thing that I don't understand is when something just works, right? When something's just working. It just works, right? Is it this that's causing that problem? What is causing that problem? What is this shining off of to cause there to be a... It must be this. Yeah, it must be this, right? If I get rid of... Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay. It is this. This is gonna be a little shadow. Okay, cool. Yeah. Client data API base, deriver QL based. Okay. What? Color. Oh god, I hate it. When something works and it had a name that everyone like recognized, and then they have to change a name, and it doesn't. Like nothing else changes, but one thing decides, oh well, you know what? We're gonna change a name, or whatever. That's the worst. That's so bad. That is so like. Why? At least in my opinion. Like what? What? Why? Alright, cool. Okay, my guy looks like a Sambuca. Looking like Sambuca. trying to do? Yeah. Well, I'll leave these open, but I put them on the AI. No, don't wanna know what on your AI. Where's that? Yeah. Put in these things. No, because I hate when people say stupid things like, "Oh, just copy this and paste this. You'll never have to touch it ever again. Just copy and paste this." And it's like, the Cassandra community describes these database components with these terms: clusters, key space, table, and column. A key space is a container for tables, similar to a schema in a relational database. As language for developers has shifted, this has led to confusion among users and developers. Of course it does. Namespace collections and documents are more familiar terms for developers. Depending on the database and features you are using in Astral Portal, you might see different terminology used. I don't know. I wish there were people here, right, that would know, that I could be like, yo, help me. I could go into here and say, does anybody know how to, like, make a... Where is it? There you go. This other? There's the other. No, not that, sorry. I'd have to use, like, a general. Foo. Where's Astro DB? Anyway. No, it's Astro data stacks, I think, right? Is that right? I think it's Astro data stacks. Where is it being put into? Cool. Not cool, but like, I'm gonna ask there. Like, what? I don't understand it. Some people. I guess it's in Python. I don't know. I'll go with the maps now. Hey, machine learning. Okay, no, actually, you know what? I'm gonna grab this. I already did, so. It's actually AI machine learning, actually. Kind of. It's not really machine learning. Actually, no, it's actually not really machine learning. No, it's actually under Python with Python. Huh? Where did I just put it? Uh-oh. Yeah. Uh-oh. Let's look up here. Thank you very much. And the new thing I just posted. In the where? Yeah, Python. That's Python. notes. Oh gosh. AI reference. Python reference. Ah. Ah. No. Well, okay. What were we just doing? What was he just doing prior to this? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Where did you get that? Sure, you use the app token client ID. Stop it. Okay. Yeah. What is a Coca-Cola cluster, maybe? But be under some other thing, wouldn't it? Connect to AstroDB. Connect to database, maybe. Token. API endpoint and namespace. Oh. No, AstroDB though. It's Python client reference. Oh my god. Gosh. This is annoying. I don't know what I'm doing. That's very annoying. And whatever. 'Cause that's the weird thing I don't like about also YouTube videos. Another problem with YouTube videos is like I'm 13 so. Is there a Reddit for it? Because that's like the thing you do. You look for something. Oh yeah, yeah. To not for information, you go to Reddit for a lot of information. It's a lot of internet people say that. 100%. A lot of people, or a lot of internet people, people on the internet, people who use the internet, like yeah, to find their information rather than. No. Anything that asks for DB new API? Three online, 3,000 members. Okay. What? Oh god. It's a whole bunch of like I don't even know what this is kind of thing, you know what I mean? Like ugh. let's just see if this guy ever answers me, because like I just want to find where it is. Can I delete anything? Nope. No, there we go. What am I looking for? Oh, that's a question. I don't want to go through them. I'll go to Reddit and go to just like, I don't know. I don't want that. I just want a chatbot using ChatGPT that I can just pull out and say, I make a small one, and you just, but no. Ugh, it's dumb. It's kinda dumb. It's kinda dumb. Anyway, I don't know what to do with this. If anybody was here, that would be nice, but no. Let's see if anybody's actually live right now on Twitch. Where did Twitch go? Twitch, Twitchity Twitch. Is there anybody that could help me out? Sure, let's see if anybody. No. Where'd he go? Thor for a. What is Thor's thing? Just. Ah, wow, I'm getting a cramp in my arm. Oh, Power. No, he's not. Yeah. Oh, he's live. Right. Sorry. This is annoying. Very annoying. can't have a website. Nice. Not thoughtful. Cool. What am I doing? I'm just waiting. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to figure out how to. You bastard. Bums. Sorry. No, sorry. I'm trying to see. That's a skip. God, this is annoying. Really annoying. So, oh. That's the most annoying thing. I think. Did I say that? Did you do that? Oh. Hmm. So confused. Because I am definitely one of those people who. Yeah, definitely one of those things where it's like. I'm not saying it's good or bad. I'm just saying like. Ah, it's annoying. Because I'm one of those people who definitely knows like just enough or something, you know. But then I get to a certain point. What's a good engine for someone who has never coded before? Come on, man. Ah, no. No. I don't know what to do. I'm just trying to freaking find out freaking how to. Ah, it's annoying. What does that mean? What is a hype train? Yeah, I'm getting bored of this. I then also I'm getting like frustrated with this stuff. I'm trying to see, I'm trying to see if like somebody would actually be able to tell me like, oh yeah, that's insane. Anyway, okay, I'm getting bored of watching this guy. Sorry, I'm sorry. I was like at the Thor guy, who does a lot of it's pirate software, and it's a bunch of, and he makes games and develops games, all that stuff. And he streams for like ever, but anyway, and I'm trying to figure out. Well, 'cause I asked there if they would know how to use that whole thing. There's people here that would know what I'm doing. Cause like, oh yeah, you get a community, you get it going, you get it running. Because he said one time, just stream all your code, stream creating your code. But then wait a sec, if you streamed your code, right? Would that not be like giving away source code, like kind of thing, where it's like somebody could take that and rip that? I don't know. I guess it's a lot of work. I don't know. Let's just see if anybody's gonna answer my questions. What? Oh. Ugh, I'm trying to see like just Python here for AstraDB. There's AstraDB for AstraDB. Then it goes. Is it AstralDB? Wait. No, it's Astra. Right? Astra, okay. This is freaking stupid. Anyway, if you're not here, you're not here. Whatever. What do I care? Nobody's here. Anyway, but like. I don't know. Let's look it up. If there's anything here. This is annoying. Yeah, nobody's here. You know what I'm gonna do then? I'll just go into like coding or something. Come on. Ridiculous. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just freaking trying to figure stuff out here. There's nobody here, so I'd love to like figure out how to actually. I'm pretty much done because like done nothing and said nothing and gone nowhere and whatever. Come on. That's okay. I'm just gonna give it a few minutes. Anyway, yeah. Whoa! How do I open the wrong thing? Yeah, this is annoying. Very annoying. Very, very annoying. Oh, this is annoying. So You know what? This is very annoying. So, you know what? I'm done. I'm kind of getting bored, annoyed, nobody's here, so whatever. Frustrated, whatever. So cool. Anyway, I think it's gonna be for now, guys. What is this crap? Can I do that, and then can I do this too? Well, the weird thing here is I'm using their website, and their website, or their well, wow, I did it through email, but there's apparently like a chat text here thing here. What's it called? What's it called? Live chat. That's what it's called. And it looks like he's live, but I don't think it actually is. As in, I don't think it's like really. So it's kind of annoying. This is gonna be one of those stupid. I left it in there, no way. Come on, Coding Hope. I'm watching that. Yeah. That's fine, but okay. Yeah, I think I'm done for today. But man. What the heck, man? What the absolute heck, man? I don't understand this. I don't understand how to do this. I hate when... There you go. It's cool, cool. What's the video combination? Nice. Okay. I think I timed out. Okay. You know? What can I just open now? I'm so confused. Oh, whatever. Look, I think it's dumb. What's dumb? It's dumb. Dumb. Wait. I think it's gonna be it for now. Because I have nothing else to talk about, and there's nobody here. So, and if they were here, then it'd be great. But if there's not, they're not. So, I want to say like you there. But now I can't delete that, right? That was dumb. Oh well. You work with it for what? Astro is the official Python client for the AstroDB serverless. See common usage below, yeah. API reference. Oh, I don't know what this means, APIs and all that. API, I know it's like a... Basically, it's like the back... It's like the, like... It's basically like the part of something, of a code, usually a website, that allows you to use that website somewhere else. Or allows you to modify and add it into some code, and then or like you add this to something and then it'll do this. I don't know. I think it's hard to explain because I don't even know how it works, but okay. So yeah, I don't know. My opinion. Get out of that. That's annoying. This is annoying. Whatever. Let's wait then. Because that's my thing. Tutorials. Yeah, I don't know. So I can't figure this out. I don't know. Don't know what I'm doing, so I guess I'm gonna leave now. So I think I'm just gonna leave now. Because there's nothing here. Nobody's not doing anything. There's nothing important. Nothing great. Nothing. Nope, no one here, so I don't know. Thanks for now, guys.